Imagine creating a game object that doesn't just look real, but actually works the moment it appears. That's the idea behind Roblox's new 4D generation, powered by the Cube Foundation model. Until now, creators could generate 3D objects, cars, tools, environments, but those objects were static. They needed extra coding, extra setup, extra time. 4D generation changes that. Now, objects are created with built-in functionality. Type A, simple prompt, like generate a car, and the system doesn't just build the model. It creates wheels that spin, scripts that respond, and physics that behave exactly the way players expect. You can jump in and drive instantly. Behind the scenes, Cube uses structured rules, called schemas, to break objects into functional parts and attach the right behaviors. The result? Objects that adapt automatically to different shapes and sizes while still working perfectly in-game. Developers testing the system are already seeing the impact. In experimental games, players are generating vehicles, flying machines, and even fantasy creatures on demand. And engagement is rising sharply, with players spending significantly more time exploring what they can create themselves. But this is just the beginning. The long-term vision is simple. Type what you imagine, and entire scenes, assets, animations, code, even interactive worlds appear instantly. Creation moves from manual building to natural language design. In other words, the future of game creation isn't just faster. It's interactive, collaborative, and limited only by imagination.